Have you ever found yourself in a situation like this and wondered how you're going to make it fit? Well, I have. Behold the garage sale jackpot. A dusty old Sonnet eGFX Breakaway Box, saddled with its wimpy 300 watts SFF PSU and a beastly RTX 3080 Ti that laughs in the face of 35 watts demands. I've got this hulking 450 watts full ATX PSU collecting dust, but it's about as subtle as a brick in a sock drawer. How the hell do we wedge this mismatched Frankenstein together without summoning the fire department? With the finesse of a surgeon operating on a potato, start by locating those 4 glorious thumbscrews securing the Sonnet eGFX Breakaway Box's metal case. Confront the GPU slot cover. Now, the piece de resistance, the diabolic top cover. This bastard fights back harder than a tax audit, working your way around like you're defusing a bomb. Gasp audibly at the original 300W SFF PSU perched there like a smug gremlin, all compact and innocent, oblivious to its impending doom. Your 450W ATX monster won't just fit, it'll need an act of Congress or CAD sorcery. Mutter something profound like, well, this is going to suck for bonus engagement. Zero in on the motherboard connector snaking into the SFF PSU, grab your precision screwdriver and siege the 4 or 6 tiny screws anchoring the PSU. One by one, they yield scritch, each backed out with exaggerated care, lest you strip something and turn mod into murder. Finally, lift the wee beast free, blowing away dust bunnies like they're evidence at a crime scene. Plop the evictee next to your ATX Titan. Snap high-res pics of the screw panel, label them victim and invader and post for labs, because precise measurements now mean fewer expletives later. Now, the creation. Fire up CAD. Channel Chopin's Nocturne No. 2 for that ironic, relaxing vibe while you model brackets from hell. Watch the magic or madness unfold and pretend you are cultured amid the impending doom. Fire up the Bamboo Lab heat-resistant plastic salvation from my new 3D printing overlord and print that custom bracket like it's defying physics. A matte warrior ready for battle. Nestle it in the Corsair guts, align screw holes over ATX points. If it clicks perfect, cackle mission viable. If gaps mock you, CAD round 2. With bracket deified and ATX Titan prepped, screw it onto the PSU first. Those M4 bolts threading home like a pact with the devil, snug but not stripped. Hoist the 450W behemoth back into the Sonnet's gaping maw, aligning with your 3D printed throne. Secure using the original SFF holes. 4-6 screws, this time proper self-tapping plastic demons to chew through the bracket without cracking your masterpiece. Raid the kids' Peppa Pig book as a comfy riser for leverage, because nothing screams pro-modder like toddler lit propping up eGPU heresy. Torque him down gently scritch until immobile, no wobbles, just a Frankenstein fit mocking Sonnet's engineers. Wipe sweat, admire the compact chaos, 300W pauper dethroned, 400W king crowned. Reassembly awaits, but savor this absurdity first. Replug that motherboard connector into the Sonnet mainboard with Surgeon's Grace Click, then wrestle the ATX excess into submission. Ditch extras before they choke the fans. Zip tie the spaghetti snake away, because airflow is life in this sardine tin. Nestle the precious RTX 3080 Ti into its PCIe throne, aligning like a first kiss gone awkward. Carefully mate those two 8-pin PCIe beasts fumble-proof. No bent pins, power flowing like forbidden lightning. Now wrestle that evil top cover back on, like sealing a cursed sarcophagus, snapping it into place before it can bite. Twist the rear thumb screws home. Click locking in the heresy. RTX 3080 Ti, thriving with a 45EW full ATX PSU crammed into a Sonnet eGFX breakaway box. Miraculously compact and neat, defying all logic and Sonnet's tears. Gaze upon your Frankenstein, power beast tamed, no sparks yet. This proves cheap thrills beat sane engineering every time. Blooper free, you're a wizard. The RGB lights blaze triumphantly, proving we didn't murder the patient on the operating table. Fire up the Wukong Blacksmith benchmark, fans scream, frames pump, no meltdowns or blue screens. Video accelerated here, your precious time spared, since you've already squandered eons on this madness. Sincere thanks for sticking it out. If this hack inspired your inner lunatic, smash like, subscribe, fuel for more unhinged builds that avoid warranties worldwide. And now, the payoff, performance comparison. Original RTX A500 integrated whimpers at 61 FPS average low settings. VRAM warnings flashing like a bad Tinder date. External RTX 3080 Ti storms in at 148 FPS on the same settings. Warnings banished. Pure dominance. Cinematic epic settings. Still 79 FPS average. Smooth as butter on a mild, warm GPU. Mission success. Laptop reborn. Sonnet violated. Benchmarks bowing. Thanks for riding this chaos piece out, and may your warranties rest in pieces.